So, hey guys, it's rainy season in Mexico. I am scared? Maybe I'm not that scared. The window fell off, so I guess I'm kind of scared. Rainy season it is. Raining season it is. Okay, I'm not. Look at this. Look at all the rain. God dang it, we made. Oh my gosh. I think it's raining season in Mexico, so I guess that's the reason. There's a cloud of hope in there. Oh my god. Just look at this. All of this. Look outside over here. The floor is wet. The cat is scarred. Oh, you scarred my baby cat. You scarred my baby cat. I wonder where's the other baby cat. Where's the dogs? Oh, they're over there. You can't see them, but they're over there.